How to save a route on Google Maps. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can save a route on Google Maps. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Google Maps in your device. After that, you have to search for the location where you want to save the route to. Tap in the search bar and now search for the route. Now once you have selected your destination, tap on the directions. So that's your route to your direction from your location. Now in order to save it, hit towards the top right and tap on the three dot icon. And here now you have to tap on add route to home screen, tap on it. And to confirm it, tap on add to home screen. And then your route has been saved. And if you go to your home screen, there you can see the route. If you simply tap on it, that's gonna take you to the route. And in this way, you can save a route on Google Maps. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.